label my plant.
What have you done to this? You made a label?
Yes.
What is it? What does it say?
Label?
Label? I can read something on it.
What?
It says Bia's plant.
Oh, that's cute.
That's cute. But you have made it. आपने बनाया है ना ये?
Yes.
आपने बनाया है?
Yes.
ये आप कहाँ लगाएंगी?
Over here.
Over here?
Yeah.
No. You forgot?
No, that's it. Let's do that. I'm making my plant fluffy.
Plant fluffy.
Yes.
No, you're making your soil fluffy.
Yes.
You have to make it fluffy and airy
Yes.
for the plant. Okay?
Let's make a more for plant.
Hi, Biha.
Hi.
Look here. Where are you looking? Is there a moon over there?
No.
So what are you going to do today?
Over plant all the seed.
You're going to plant your seeds?
Yes.
ये क्या है?
Seed.
Seed के अंदर से क्या निकला है?
A plant.
No, it's not a plant.
A root.
That's
That's a root over here.
That's a root over here.
Yes. That's
So,
a root.
जब ये sprouts निकल आते हैं तो हम क्या करते हैं?
इसको देखते हैं ग्रो पे.
इसको देखते हैं ग्रो हो रहा है, फिर क्या करते हैं? आज हम यहाँ पे क्या करेंगे?
Seed plant.
आज बिया का सीड प्लांट करने वाले हैं हम.
Yes.
Alright, is it going to be fun?
Yes, that's a fun today.
So where are you going to put this?
Over here.
No, we're going to put this in your plant so that whenever we come back we can see where your plant is. Otherwise तो घूम जाएगा ना? You know that?
Oh, okay.
Do you understand?
Understand.
Okay, let's start planting your seeds.
Okay.
Okay? What?
About.
Now let's cover with soil,
Yes.
but don't push, okay? You have to do it lightly so that the seeds don't get destroyed,
Okay. That's only.
okay? That's it.
Yes.
Because it has to be airy, okay? So now beer sprouts are done. Now beer will dig a hole
Yes.
here.
Okay. 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 Mama.
Not like this.
Let's put that. Oh. Ready?
I will hold it. You put the soil under. Like this.
Push me. Like that. And then plant. Oopsies. Oopsies.
It's extremely hot. Okay.
Now guys, I'm going to tell you how to make a simple banner. As you can see, Biha has one of these banners. Now I'm going to tell you how to make one of mine. So this one is you need to make a fake art, anything. You need to only like everything what is available at your home. Yeah. So now this is a simple wooden stick. You can find it at your home. If you don't have it, no worries. You could have a stick or like something that you have wood, so it could stand it down. So I just have the tape, and I'm gonna paste it right over here. This is the tape. Now guys, I have made a simple loop of tape. Now I'm going to paste paper. And the next side I'm going to put is like, sit down. And now paste. And there, booyah, it's ready. Now we're gonna put it.
Hold it and show.
Yeah, there you go. As you can see, I'm gonna make this soil really fluffy and airy. So, because we need our seeds need to breathe as well. We breathe. Our seeds need to also breathe. So now I'm gonna make a hole here. Ta-da! And there's a mini hole. Now I have this seeds. You don't need sprouted ones in case, but yeah, I'm gonna use these. Now I'm gonna add them. Oopsies, one of them go here. There. Now I'm gonna make this here. Come here. Actually, our soil is already wet, but you need to keep giving water to your plants.
Don't push them inside.
I know, just gonna put some on the soil.
You have to do it with your very light hands. Stop pushing.
Oh, I don't need to push.
Yes.
There. It's done. You have one extra seed. Yes. There. Now it's done.
Yes.
Now, guys.
The seed need to be up so that, you know, when they want to come out, they can easily come out. You need to be close to the surface.
Now, guys, I'm gonna add the banner that I made before. Now here, I'm gonna put it right over here beside it. Now, can I make it? Yes, there. I got a bit of soil. Now I'm gonna put this glob back to this place, and I'm make sure every part is strong enough to hold this. Need my hands to help me do this. My hands. There. There, my hands have been made. Now, guys!
You need to water your plants.
Yes, now we need to water our plants. Should we? Right now?
Yes, go bring water.
So, guys, now as you can see, I have some water. Now, we're not gonna add them like. Now, we're gonna add them like a little onion so they don't
Add
die.
it.
Add it. So, now. मैंने ये पानी डाल दिया
हाँ डालेंगे
Now let's come on the next one. Seeds. Here. 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 No. Now, guys, that's the amount of water you need to put in the plants every day. So we need water as well. We drink water as the plants drink water.
Hi guys, this is Biha.
Hi guys, I'm Abhi.
आपके प्लांट्स को कितने दिन हो गए हैं?
3 days.
3 days हो गए हैं जब से आपने सीड्स प्लांट किए थे अपने.
Yes.
तो आज आप क्या करेंगी? आज आप अपने व्यूअर्स को दिखाएंगी नहीं आपके प्लांट्स निकल आए हैं?
Yes.
अच्छा ये जो हमने इनके बार्स लगाए थे, the bars we put as labels. Biha and Fatma's plants. They've been destroyed by the rain, and the banners have been taken away by the rain. We're going to put them back once हमारे plants थोड़े से ऊंचे हो जाएं. So look at Abiha's plants. These are from Chana's plants, and if I show you very clearly, you can also see the little Chanas inside the soil, and their plants coming out of there. So I hope it is visible. And जो फातिमा के seeds थे, mashkidan seeds, they've come out really well. They're very pretty, nice and green. And that's only day 3. बहुत ज़बरदस्त निकले. I can even show you the seedlings inside. You can easily see. They're also over here. You can see the dal covers on the plants.
Oh, look, that one is so small one.
Yeah, this is so small. Very cute, है ना? It is coming out from there.
Yes. It's so cute, like that, on this picture.
So, Biha, are you excited?
Yes.
आपने plants लगाए हैं?
Yes.
ये किसके plants हैं?
Papa.
ये किसके plants हैं?
Papa.
फातिमा के plants अच्छे निकल आए?
Yes.
और आपके? छोटे छोटे हैं, पुंटे पुंटे से, आपके जैसे, है ना? They cute like you.
It's Fatma, that's cousin Ismi.
It is Fatma, and this one is Qasim, and this is Abiha.
Yeah.
Okay.
Hi guys, we're watching Fatih and Abiha's world. Guys, this is the second time in that video when we were like going for Eid shopping. She said it, and it was the first time she said it. And now finally, and guys, sorry for the noise you can hear because there's a lot of like noise here. So because we're in the garden. So Abiha, guys, you must be saying that they were parked over there, and mine was here and Abdullah was there. Mine thought that they are just like random shoes, and he just took them out and they got like bam. But next, Mama helped us put on these seats that are from Fati's spot and Dia's spot. That's why Abiha's spot is here and my spot is here. Yeah.
Stop holding it so bad. So guys, this is the chana plant they have planted, and that is the black lentils they've planted. And you can see how they've grown so well. It's really rainy and stormy nowadays, and our plants are growing really well. They become like, when they grow really big, they become big bushy plants, both of them. I don't think so the black lentils one grows so well. They get stems or anything. I think they are just little plants. That's it, they will die like that. But this becomes a plant. Chana becomes a plant. So it was quite handy of an experience for my girls as well, and they had quite a time planting their seeds and seeing them grow every day, coming into our little garden every day to see how they're growing. We got to see a lot of different things, and we got to witness some snails too, some real life snails that we saw. You can see them too.
Where, Mama? I need to see them.
There are a lot of snails that go inside and aerate our soil.
Is that the snail?
Yes.
Yes, that's a snail.
So it's quite a lot of fun making them see how things happen. There are little holes in the soil as well that snails make to make the soil airy. Can you see? Little holes in the soil, Fatma?
Yes,
Abiha?
there's a lot.
ये snails अंदर जाते हैं इसके अंदर, तो फिर क्या कहते हैं, plants को air मिलती है.
There are too many snails.
Roots से अच्छी होती हैं plants की.
No, there is one. Here. Where? Why see this shell? Look at this one. Look at this one. Look at this one. Losley. Wow. It's like very cute now. Is he in the shell?
Yes, they're in the shells, and we even saw the ones with the face and everything, but they were crawling around the other day when I came in with Abiha. You weren't here. So that's it for today. And I think
And guys, this is the final day of our plants.
we're done showing you how to make your plants grow. How do the plants grow?
Yes.
And it's quite exciting. It's almost like giving them babies that grow. They had quite a lot of time seeing them grow every day. Yes, Abiha?
Yes.
What did you see? आप plants बना सकती हैं?
Yes.
कैसे बनाते हैं plants?
First, we need to put our seeds and plants come out, and then he grow, and then water we put in, he can grow more.
The plants are not he or she.
It can grow more. Yes. It's a thing.
It's a thing.
Yes.
Okay?
Okay.
So now you know how to grow a plant?
Look on that hand.
You've made the before Eid already.
Yeah, mine too.
We're crazy Mehndi fans.
Hashtag Mehndi girls and Mehndi goals. Hashtag Mehndi goals.
Okay, say bye-bye to your viewers.
Bye bye.
And what else do you say to them?
I hope you guys subscribe, like, and share. Let's see you guys next time. Bye bye.